Hi guys, today let's talk about one topic related to education, especially college education. It is triggered by a tweet that I read a couple of days ago by somebody from Princeton. I believe that he made some uh, two basically good point. Number one is that he believes that the one important impact for generative AI is to make intrinsic learning easier and faster. I could not believe more. It's a very good point. Um, Probably because that with AI, you can basically a lot of times you can study the topics on your own, by simply asking questions to the AI and it get an answer from it. So you don't need to wait for the uh, fix the schedule of classes, fix the professor, fix the topic. Everything is flexible. So this is a very good point. The other point, I'm not sure if it's totally right. He basically separate two kinds of knowledge. One is essential, another is incidental. So the example that he used is that the arithmetics, the stuff that about the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and the division, right? Those kind of things. And he believed that using the metaphor of a calculator, he says that years ago, before we did not have a calculator, we do everything manually. So in that case, arithmetics is very important. It's essential. But with the calculator, especially at the college level, you don't want to teach the college student how to do the arithmetics, right? So that part I agree, but I'm not sure if that's the to generally call the arithmetics as the uh, incidental knowledge. I believe that the arithmetics is the basically it's a bedrock of all the foundations for all the other branches of knowledges of mathematics. So I would still say that arithmetics will be the essential knowledge. The bigger point is this: AI tools, they are still tools. They are not replacement. So the best picture that I can see is that to make humans and AIs co-evaluate. They inspire each other, and then we on the human part we still teach some basic knowledge because after all you want to teach them critical thinking, but without some basic knowledge of arithmetics, I don't think it's possible to do the deep in critical thinking. So in that way, that we should always teach or suggesting or encouraging students or humans to learn arithmetics. We may not do that in the college setting. We may not, do that in a fixed classroom, but we always encourage them to learn arithmetics because that's the foundation knowledge. They may, do that on their own, interacting with the generative AI, and go from there. But the idea is that we want to make humans and the machines both learning same language so they can interacting with each other, so they can impact each other. Because in the future, I believe that the machine, the generative AI, will always have different features than the human learning. Okay, so the most likely the two sides will be implementing, complementing each other, and then the best way is to let humans still learning arithmetic as the basic essential knowledge